Michael Allen. Oh shit. Hey everybody, Michael Allen here. I'm about to pour some Petri dishes in my new Cell Treat Petri dishes. I gotta sterilize my scissors. I haven't done it in a while. I've already sprayed everything down. We're going to spray everything one more time, including my hands. New dishes, I haven't opened these before, so. We're going to open the first three, maybe open a fourth if necessary. Saving these for a little while. I don't know if I'll need them. I got these milk jugs at the dump. You know me, I'm always at the dump. But anyways, I got these nice milk jugs. Looking perfect. Give them a try. We're getting used to. I made up 400 milliliters of agar as a test for a future project. I don't know how much 400 milliliters fills. That's why I'm doing this, to see exactly how many I get from 400 mils. I'm hoping to get 20. I'm happy with 15. I'm at 14. 15, and these are 100 milliliter plates, so they're, or 100 millimeter plates, so they're a little bigger. We'll see how that one comes out. We're going to separate that one. Let me go get some more agar, and I'll be right back. Spray. pouring a 200 milliliters more to do the rest of those. So I should be able to make it no problem. Have a little fun making a few fancy ones. Okay, 40 plates from 1,000 milliliters. Not bad, considering they're 100 milliliter plates instead of my normal 90s. So I went up 10 millimeters in plate size and lost 5 plates. That's not bad. I didn't lose 5 plates. I got 5 less plates pouring 1,000 milliliters using the 100 size treats. They're absolutely amazing. Honestly, I got a great deal. I paid I think it was $92 or $99 shipped for 500 plates. It's a little higher than, well, actually it's about the same price as the 200 box at Amazon. If you bought 2.5 of them, it would cost you $72. It would cost you $90 to buy the Amazon plates that aren't drip ring or 90 milliliter, and half of them come out freaking contaminated in my experience. I was doing ketchup cups because I had ran out of dishes, but now I'm back. Got the first 40 poured. After this, we're going to be testing out these sealing bands. You heat shrink these around the top instead of using parafilm or grafting tape. I got these, and I also got shrink bags to shrink wrap 10 at a time, 5 at a time for shipping, etc. If you get my drift. Yeah. Anyways, I just thought you guys would enjoy pouring a little bit of agar. I got some pretty plates going. I got a Michael Allen t-shirt on. Woo! Oh, in case you didn't see it, I'll give you a better view. First one I ever made. I love it. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Much love.